Notukeu-Willow Bunch is a former provincial electoral division for the Legislative Assembly of the Province of Saskatchewan, Canada, centered on the rural municipality of Willow Bunch. This district was created before the third Saskatchewan general election in 1912. The constituency was dissolved and combined with the Notukeu district as Notukeu-Willow Bunch before the 9th Saskatchewan general election in 1938. It is now part of the Wood River constituency. A federal electoral district in the same area called Willow Bunch existed from 1924 until 1935. Members of the Legislative Assembly. Election results. See also. Electoral District, Canada. List of Saskatchewan provincial electoral districts. List of Saskatchewan general elections. List of political parties in Saskatchewan. Willow Bunch, Saskatchewan. References. Saskatchewan Archives Board, Saskatchewan election results by electoral division.